Phasalo Food Department Illegal Metrology Department Luwajijakma by Chengjakha Salnwi Seminar Panda Chati Mwchwngwi Pandano Chengsawi Rwkha Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury. Salnwi Seminar Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury no Karibo Manjakmungo Food Department Secretary Devapriya Bardhan, Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Legal Affairs Department Director Ashutosh Agarwal, Indian Institute of Legal Studies ni Dr. Rajeshwar Kumar no khobui te kubun adongro. Abun yaglo na Salnwi Panda koksanan thangai Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury Shaka transparency ni te product ni quality maintenance khlainani samung khlayo correct measurement Haktorte hastini joto development ni bagai consumer te business khlainai rok khorong ni bisingo kaham halok belai nangkungmani hinai.
For organizing this program, and in fact so far my memory runs, this program was supposed to be organized 2 months back and it got cancelled twice due to various unavoidable circumstances. And today also, Secretary Government of India Consumer Affairs, Srimati Nidhi Khare ji, was supposed to be here along with one Joint Secretary Government of India and also our Chief Secretary. But due to their professional engagements, it was not possible on their part to make it convenient to remain present. But we had to continue with this program. So once again, I extend my good wishes to the department and all the stakeholders and sincerely believe and hope that the points, technical points which will be derived out of this seminar will be beneficial in large scale in the coming times in smooth functioning of the department in the coming future. This legal metrology department, which in nutshell comes under the Directorate of Food and Civil Supplies, has been working for protecting the consumer rights in many ways. And I am sure that this today's session will be helpful in many ways when it comes to protection of our consumer rights. Our officers, they have been working very effectively in our state and very recently in compliance of the directives laid down by Government of India. We have ushered or we have implemented many things, many new implementations have taken place in our department. To cite an example, 15 working standard laboratories across different subdivisions of our state have been installed. To make the workplace very smooth and effective, these computers, 30 computers have been purchased by the government, which will be funded by Government of India and procured by Government of Tripura. Our secondary standard laboratory with 2 working standard labs, controller office in Agartala has been constructed, and each and every day the activities, the operation of legal metrology by the officers are visible. So it speaks in volume when it comes to good governance. And we are very thankful to Government of India that each and every time they have been extending their cooperation to make the Legal Metrology Department, the Food and Civil Supplies Consumer Affairs Department more friendly, more pro-people, and I don't have any iota of doubt in my mind that in the coming times this department, the Directorate of Food and Civil Supplies Consumer Affairs and this Legal Metrology Department will emerge as one of the important departments of our state. By the time our petrol pump dealers our relationship dealers are here, and we have been working hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder with the people of our state for their satisfaction. Each and every time, whenever there is any derailment of railway track, when there is monsoon season, if there is any problem in the national highways, each and every time we get cooperation from our stakeholders here. I can see some of the petrol pump dealers, our relationship friends, dealers, friends, they are also assembled in large number. We have to take it forward further, because we have to remember that Tripura, it is stuck in a corner of the northeastern region, surrounded by Bangladesh from three corners. And geographically, we were completely isolated from the rest of the country. But now, due to this active policy under the able stewardship of our Honorable Prime Minister, Tripura is well connected with the other parts of the country.
Abon bagano Phasalo Food Department illegal Metrology Department Luwajijakma by Chengjakha Salnwi seminar Panda Shaka Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury. Rwkha Khorang Chini Khorang.